Alright, here's the Vantrue M2. I guess this is their second version of the mirror. There you go. Okay. Alright. So if we got the main unit, I like it. Nice. You got the power here, AV. You got the SIM card here. Nice. Let's see what's inside. I like it. Okay, you got a little tuck tool. This is a little mount for the rear camera, probably. Got the GPS mount, separate from the, I guess that goes in here. That's if you want the GPS features, which I probably won't add it, maybe so. Wait, oh, that's pretty cool. Oh no, this is the, okay, never mind. I guess this is for the exterior camera. Okay, you got the power. It's a micro USB. Then you have the rear camera. It looks like you could either put it, let me see. It may be like you could put it with the with the plate, but also you may be able to put it in a window. You may be able to just put it in a window if I'm not mistaken. Okay. Protected by Vantrue dash cams. Okay, little books. Then you got these little tools. Rubbery stuff. I have no idea what that is. Comes with these little tools. I guess it's for the mounts. Then you have, I guess this is for like, you want to plug in the computer directly and pull the video. All right, well, there you have it. Now I'm gonna take some pictures of all this, and then I can't wait to run this. Expect some videos from this. I'm definitely gonna use this, and I don't need a couple of cameras, but this is nice. I like how versatile and hidden it is. You just put this behind the mirror. I'll do some videos and I'll let you guys know how it is. You can see the mount. It's right here. Oh, that's what that rubber's for. So those rubbers are for to mount. You put it there and you mount this. Where are they? And they got different sizes. So you put it here like that and you mount it to your rear mirror. So it's safe to say it's going to be secure. And you can see it has a nice mirror effect. So you can see. I like this, man. It's pretty cool. There you have it.